in a historic wildfire. The second largest city in the United States, Los Angeles, is engulfed in a catastrophic wildfire. Despite relentless efforts over the past 3 days, the fire remains uncontrolled. Instead, strong winds have spread the blaze across larger areas. Hundreds of homes have been reduced to ashes, and at least 10 lives have been lost, according to reports from the BBC, and CBS is struggling to manage the crisis. Authorities in Los Angeles are grappling to manage this devastating disaster. Firefighting equipment and personnel have been brought in from neighboring counties, but the powerful Santa Ana winds are making it exceedingly difficult to contain the flames. Adding to the crisis is a severe water shortage, further complicating firefighting efforts. What's causing the wildfire? Experts suggest that prolonged drought, dry conditions, and strong winds are the primary reasons behind the rapid spread of the wildfire. According to a CBS report, the Santa Ana winds, blowing at speeds of up to 97 kilometers per hour from desert regions, are fueling the intensity of the blaze. Alex Hall, director of the Environmental Institute at the University of California, said, "The Santa Ana winds are naturally warm, making them a major factor in spreading wildfires. Scientists are still uncertain about how climate change is impacting these winds, but rising temperatures are undoubtedly exacerbating the spread of the fire." The role of climate change. A report by the BBC points to climate change as a significant factor behind the severity of the wildfire. After heavy rainfall during the 2024 El Niño season, vegetation grew rapidly. However, during the following dry and warm period, this vegetation dried out, becoming fuel for the wildfire. Experts describe this rapid shift from wet to dry conditions as hydroclimate whiplash human activities. According to Fire Battalion Chief David Acuna, 95% of wildfires in California are caused by human activities. However, the combination of the Santa Ana winds and the effects of climate change have pushed this wildfire beyond control, a long-term problem. California Governor Gavin Newsom remarked, "Wildfires are no longer just seasonal issues, they have become long-term problems. The impact of climate change will only worsen the situation." Scientific analysis. Rory Haddon, a wildfire researcher at the University of Edinburgh, explained, "Post-rainfall vegetation growth provides abundant fuel for wildfires. During dry periods, this vegetation dries out quickly, significantly increasing the spread and intensity of fires." Conclusion. Experts believe that climate change, drought, strong winds, and human activity have collectively